The art of wooing. What does it mean? Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a charming and romantic phrase in the English language, wooing. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, its origins, and how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. Wooing is a verb that describes the act of trying to gain someone's affection or love, especially with the intention of getting married. Historically, it was often associated with a man trying to win a woman's heart, but in modern times, it can be used for anyone regardless of gender. For example, he spent months wooing her before she agreed to date him. She wrote him love letters as a way of wooing him. The word woo has been in the English language for a very long time. It originates from Old English, wagian, which means to seek after. Over time, it has evolved to represent the pursuit of love or affection. While its roots are old, the sentiment it captures is timeless: the effort and gestures one makes to win someone's heart. In today's world, wooing can be used in contexts beyond romantic endeavors. It can also be used metaphorically in situations where someone is trying to win someone over for various reasons. For example, companies might woo potential clients with impressive presentations. Politicians may woo voters with promising policies. This broadened usage makes wooing a versatile word, capturing the essence of pursuing someone's favor or approval. Knowing synonyms is always handy. Here are some words or phrases that can be used interchangeably with wooing, depending on the context. Courting, pursuing, chasing after, trying to win over. However, it's essential to choose the synonym that best fits the context. For instance, courting might be more suitable for romantic contexts, while trying to win over can be more general. And there we have it. The beautiful act of wooing is not just about romance but can also describe the effort made to gain someone's favor or approval. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this enchanting word. Keep wooing your dreams, and keep learning. Until next time,